Hello and welcome back to another epic adventure at Weaver Stonehouse Farms. And today I'm lapping a valve on a Briggs and Stratton 12 horse IC motor. This it had snapped the lifter, which the lifter looks, crazily enough, that snapped right there. The lifter looks like a valve, but it's not. So I took the valve grinding compound right here and I put it just around the edge. And you can see that it's right around the edge. And we're just going to go ahead and get her in there and lap her up. Drop a little WD-40 down in there, just give it some lubrication on the valve. I literally suction cup that fast. That is not suction cupping worth it. A whole lot of anything. Let's try the bigger one. There she goes. That's the big one done. Okay, shouldn't take a whole lot. That felt better there. That's better. I can feel that. You can hear it. I think it's smooth. Yep, that's it. All right. Oh man, that looks better. Guess I should show the valve. It did a heck of a job cleaning that valve up, and that sealing surface is great. So we put it back into use. Awesome. How it looks on the seat. Try to keep that away from the piston. Good job there, tearing stuff up. I got a little more work to do on that intake. There's two little places, there's two little nicks. Yep, I can see it. Actually didn't get it the whole way down there. Okay, alright. You can do it again. So what I'm doing here is I'm just putting a little bit of valve lapping compound on as I spin the valve in my hand, just on the face of the valve where it'll set into the seat. And let's wipe it off and check it. Better for sure. So obviously I shortened a lot of this up, and this is the third cleanup after the valve grind. Much better. Okay, let's take a look. So that's what I was fighting, that little nick. Right on the edge, and that's good enough. It's a lawnmower. It'll seal around that. I'm good with that. And that one over there, got that one cleared out. There's a little bit there, I mean, but I'm okay. Alright, cool. Well, I hope you like this one. You know, something different. but we're always working on something in the garage. And now that I've got this nice workbench that I've made, I have room to work. Nice. My gas cans fit. Sweet. Hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Subscribe and like, and you get to watch more of the fun at Weaver Stonehouse Farms and in the garage this time. We'll see you next time on the farm.